And today I'm playing some Bloxburg as you request. I've got my friend here. Here.
Hi, awkward pandas.
So yeah. Where my mouse is, she is Libby Moa. Find her. If I can't find her, I'll just make a party. So this is my house. It's really bad. It isn't even done. There's literally a wall missing right here. And then you have to go upstairs. There is some flooring. And look! Another missed wall. These are going to be some kids' rooms. Okay, so they're making a party. Okay?
I'm gonna accept it.
Huh? Yeah, she is going to accept it.
Yes. I'm coming.
Okay.
Just late.
I am going to... And guys, if you didn't know, if you actually sit down on...
Really slowly down.
Oh, hi! So guys, I don't have... I'm going to fix all the walls that have like no wall. What the? Why can't I? Okay, I'm just gonna build a wall for now because yeah, I need much. That's the bathroom. I can live in it now. So look, that's my kitchen. Yeah, I just did that. And what the happened? I need to fix this really quick. So that's the upstairs.
Bella?
Yeah.
If we're a party, I accidentally left the game.
Yeah. After. Yeah. I'm gonna throw a party now. Oh, I have to wait a while. For the next day, and then this is the room that I would be sleeping in. Have like no. So yeah, that's that bathroom. That's it. And this is Libby's bedroom, pink, because that's her favourite colour. So now I am bored. So when she comes, guys, we are going to be doing some. Libby?
Yeah?
Comment down below if you like the house. It wouldn't let me build a room.
If we're a party?
No. Hey guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And now Libby has something to say. Okay, that's it. Bye guys.
Bye.